For the fact that I give you my number does not give you the room or to feel that we are dating.
So you cannot just accept me.
Accept you how? See your belt, a sticky man like you. Can you even afford to get this poor man like you?
Don't reach the level of insulting me.
Continue.
Photo.
For the fact that I give you my number does not give you the room or to feel that we are dating. I just give you my number for you to stop disturbing me. So I don't know why you're feeling like we are dating. Excuse me.
So you cannot just accept me.
Accept you how? Like, look at you. See your belt. How will I accept you? A sticky man like you. Can you even afford to get this phone? Talk more of taking care of me. So why will I accept you? Poor man like you. Look at why do you even use it? Look at your shoes. I beg, don't disturb me again.
So you don't reach the level of insulting me. Just because I say that make
and I will
even
even insult you more if you don't even stay on your lane. I will insult you more.
Because I say make I help your life.
Excuse me.
An officer like me.
Jesus.
Of the Federal Republic of Alasan, do you think it's easy to be an officer?
Help my life how? Excuse me, look at you. From where? Where will you even help my life? As in, look at yourself from head to tail. Where will you help my life? Excuse me, how? Tell me how you can help my life. A poor man like you? Help yourself first before you even talk of helping me. Excuse me. I beg, go and do something better with your time.
Now me insult like this.
He shock you.
Continue.
Photo. Wetin be this? Jesus. This man.
The hookup girl, right? I just say they do bonanza. So how much?
I'm not a hookup girl.
No be your banner they see say they do bonanza.
I don't understand. I'm not a hookup girl. Why?
Hello?
Hello. Good afternoon.
I saw your number say you dey do bonanza.
Oh my God. Which kind of rubbish? I'm not a hookup girl, for crying out loud.
You say you know they do hookup.
Where are you guys getting this information from? Code.
You think say you dey wise?
What is this? Excuse me, please. I'm not a hookup girl. Just these people calling me hookup girl. Hello.
For you. Sure now, I see your number for bonanza now. Sure now.
Oh God, what is this? I said I'm not a hookup girl, for crying out loud. You guys should stop disturbing. What have I done? What is this? Who is doing this to me? I'm not a hookup girl. Jesus. You guys should leave me alone now. Who is doing this to me? Who wants to tarnish my image? Who is doing this thing to me? How God? I just hope it's not all these people calling me hookup girl. Hello? It's them again. God help me. My own is finished.
Ayé dorí kodò.